Hello everybody, hope everyone's well, having a fantastic day today. Right, so today I'm going to use a Panini. I've got a bit of kerrygold, which I'm going to chuck in a pan. And I've got somewhere, I've got some black pudding there, Kelly's black pudding of Newport. So I'm going to use some of that. I've got 4 blends of cheese, you can see it, there you go. And I've got some cottage cheese left over, so I'm going to try and use some of that up. I've still got some hummus, which says used within 3 days of opening. Opened it yesterday, so that'll be 1 day gone, 2 days. Got a couple of eggs which I'm going to use, and I've got some salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. Or pepper. There you go, that's a bit better. Right, so the eggs and the black pudding are going to go in a basket which I've already pre-greased with some kerrygold. And yeah, I don't know, I'm going to try something different with that. So I'm going to put some, hopefully I'm going to grate some black pudding into the bottom there, like a bit like a piece of grated cheese really, but grated black pudding. Don't know how that's going to work out for me, but you know, I'll try. And then I'm going to put the eggs on top. I'm going to put it in the air fryer, 11 minutes. It should be cooked, it should be nice. I'm going to butter the panini. I'm going to chuck that in a pan. Obviously with the butter's going to melt, it's going to crisp it up a bit. I'm going to put 4 blends of cheese in the pan, so that's melted. And then I'm going to chuck the panini on top of that, so that sticks to that. And then the cottage cheese, well, it's going to go in there somewhere. And along with the hummus, yeah, forgot what it was, salt and pepper along the way, obviously. So that will be that, right? So hopefully it all works out. Right, let's start that. Here's the grater. There's the black pudding. And yeah, is it working? Well, I don't know. I don't think so. But you never know. I might find out. Yeah, something like that. I didn't want too much black pudding today. But and you know you can eat black pudding raw, don't you? But it's not raw because it's already cooked, isn't it? So there you go. That is the black pudding done. All I'm going to do with that is I'm going to throw that into there. Throw it, sprinkle it really. Just coat the bottom of that. So that's a new one for me. Never grated black pudding before. I'm not sure many people have, to be fair. Right, a couple of eggs. The extra bits of that pudding there, I'll just get them in there. In goes the eggs. There's one. There's 2. There must be 3. There's 3. Okay. Just find a fork. Touch everything. I'm just breaking up a little bit. That's that. I'm just going to put some pepper in there maybe. Some pepper there. Hopefully you can still hear me. Let's move you a bit closer. There's a bit of pepper. A dash of salt. Right, I'm going to put that in the air fryer. 11 minutes at 200. 11 minutes. Go. That's that doing its thing. So hopefully that should be all right. Now let's get the pan going and get that sorted. A bit. There we go. There we go. Looking good. To which I'm just going to place the panini in there. How's everyone doing today? Everyone had a good day? Everyone got everything sorted before the weekend? Supposed to be nice weather all weekend, isn't it? I believe. Don't hold me to that actually. So I'm just coating that in a bit kerrygold. Hopefully just toasting it up a little bit. Oh, look, we're coming on. Just leave that one out right way. Flip one. So hopefully this should turn out relatively nice. And the way I greased the inside of the basket was I just used a bit of kerrygold paper. It's got obviously a bit of butter on it and just wipe it around the inside. Easy as that. And if you want to get the baskets, I got them from the range. And they look about cooked, don't they? Let's flip that one. That's looking good. Just rest that on top of that one. Right, so I'm just going to chuck some cheese in the pan, hopefully. Something like that. Try and get it into looking a bit like a panini, I suppose. Yeah, that's one. I'll do for two. Just going to turn the heat off on that. Just while I chuck the panini on top. Put any other one. Whoa! Right, sorted. Here we go. Whoa. Made a mess of that. Cottage cheese on top. There's probably lots of people shouting, "Don't do it!" Oh. Just putting a bit of hummus on there. Is it still recording? Yep. There's a bit of hummus. Oh. Right, that's cooked. So hopefully, he says, tried this a many a time. I mean, yeah, it's it looks different. Definitely looks different. Yeah, I mean, the egg's obviously taken on the black pudding. And the cottage cheese has oozed. But probably just cut it off of there. I'll scrape that over there. Stop trying to eat it while I'm talking to you guys. See if I can run a knife through it somehow without making too much mess, which is bound to happen. Me being me. Whoa. Oh. It's oozed out the sides, but there we go. We have got Panini, Kerrygold, cheese, 4 blends. Then we got the cottage cheese with the hummus, and then we got the egg with the black pudding, and more cheese, and then the Kerrygold and the top of it. So that's it. I mean, it looks different. I wonder what it tastes like. Just about to find out. I don't know. You tell me. What do you think? It definitely looks different. Is it going to be a messy eat? Well, I couldn't even get it on the spoon. I got it down my top, so yeah, it's bound to be a bit messy. But with the black pudding, I wonder what it tastes like. Yeah, I'd eat that again, definitely. And with cottage cheese and the hummus, well, at the end of the day, I need to use up the cottage cheese, need to use up the hummus, neither either. I've got one vegetarian who doesn't like cottage cheese or hummus at all. I've got another one who's dairy free. I've got another one who's gluten, dairy free, and then the grandson. he ain't going to eat it because he just doesn't like that sort of thing. So me, I'm going to use it up. I'm going to enjoy it. And if you like the video, give us a like, share, subscribe. Everyone who's subscribed, thank you very much. Thanks for watching the videos. It's appreciated. And I'll catch you on the next one, probably tomorrow, I suppose. Right, don't know what I'm doing tomorrow. I'd like to do a barbecue because it's nice weather. Maybe go and get some meat for that. Take care, everyone. See you later. Bye-bye. I should say that the black pudding in there with the egg isn't overpowering, so you still get the taste of all the other flavours.